Good morning, warriors. As you guys know, today is the first day of Power Hour. So I'm just going to show you how to get into Power School and to look at your schedule for the day. So I'm going to sign in to a teacher account, but you'll want to sign in to Power School. Remember that you can do that through ClassLink, and then you don't even need to know your password. You could sign in via ClassLink. So you will sign into Power School. And once you do that, for you, this part right here will be your classes and your grades. And over here on the left, you'll have some options. At the very bottom, you will select Adaptive Scheduler. And then that will show you your classes for this week. It'll show you your Power Hour 1, which is Tutorial 1, and Power Hour 2. So you'll be able to see what the course is and what room number that will be held in. So that's how to find your schedule for today. Have a great Monday.